गुड मॉर्निंग. हाऊ आर यू? कसे आहात सर्व?
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग. चला आपण जाऊ आज के रेंज डेमो पाहण्यासाठी.
हॅलो,
हे आहेत पास.
हाय,
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग.
आपण जात आहोत सर्व के रेंजला फायर पॉवर डेमो 2024-25 पाहायला. आता पाहूया पुढच्या याच्यामध्ये आपण कसं डेमो होत आहे. फायरिंग आपण लाईव्ह दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहोत. पाहूया पुढे आपण कसं करणार.
होईल तेवढं आम्ही व्हिडिओ मध्ये नक्कीच तुम्हाला दाखवू, शक्य होईल तेवढं.
इथनं सुरू झालेली आहे चेकिंग व तसेच डेमो पाससाठी एंट्री करून आपल्याला पुढे जाता येते. सर इथे ट्रॅफिक जाम आहे, त्याच्यामुळे पुढे जाऊन पासेसवर एंट्री वगैरे करून घेतात आहे, जेणेकरून पुढे जाण्यासाठी आम्हाला लेट होणार नाही. तर ते पासर हात करतात हे, त्यांची एंट्री करून झालेली आहे. आजचा डेमो हा स्पेशल असल्यामुळे आज खूप सारी गर्दी आहे. इथे पासेसवर एंट्री केली जाते.
फायनली झाली आहे आमची चेकिंग आणि आम्ही आता चाललो आहे. पूर्ण तयारी, टँक वगैरे
9 वाजता चालू होणार आहे. पहिला राऊंड फार चालू होते ते. तू पाहिलेलं आहे? फर्स्ट टाइम आहे का?
आता आम्ही फायनली पोहोचलेलो आहोत.
आम्ही इथंच उतरा.
खूप गर्दी झालेली आहे. आज आम्हाला थोडंसं लेट झालंय.
उतरा. 2 पास ठेवा बघा आमचं.
तिकडनं जावं लागेल ना आपल्याला. आम्ही आलो आहोत डेमोच्या ग्राउंड वरती. ह्याला गन आहे, सगळे वेगवेगळे आहेत. गाणी बंद करायला पाहिजे.
Setting missile targets and right after fire. Having indicated the target area, we shall now commence part 1 of the exercise. Mechanized forces remain the most decisive force at tactical and operational levels in all modern armies. With the invention of stand-off weapon systems, many military thinkers started suggesting that days of armored fighting vehicles were over. However, skeptics have been proven wrong by extensive employment of mechanized forces in all recent operations, even in high altitude areas. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the hammer and anvil of mechanized operations, the tanks and the artillery. Based on the generating 1400 vehicles stock with fuel return or power to weight ratio of 24 horsepower per ton with a cruising range of 200 kilometers. A hydrodynamic suspension system improves flexibility and provides better stability. The tank is protected with an indigenously developed engine armor comparable to shower armor of the British Challenger tank. The armor has been tested and proved its capability as it remains unpenetrated even after fired on by conventional armor-piercing rounds at point-blank range. This tank is equipped with a 120mm rifle gun made of electrostatic steel and carries a 39 rounds of main gun ammunition. It fires two types of ammunition: twin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding 7 weighing 19.9 kilograms and high-explosive scratch ammunition weighing 21.2 kilograms. The secondary armor of the tank includes a 4SGL Mag-5 Alpha medium machine gun, which weighs 10.2 kilograms and has an engagement range of 1100 meters. It is also armed with a 12.7mm NSBT anti-aircraft machine gun, which weighs 25 kilograms with an engagement range of 2000 meters. The gunner's main sight includes a dual magnification day sight and a thunderbolt night sight, providing night vision for both gunner and commander. The tank is fitted with smoke grenade dischargers, 6 on each side. In order to provide power to all electrical systems and components of the tank while the engine is off, an auxiliary power unit has been fitted on the rear left of the tank. For all-round observations, the tank is equipped with a panoramic sight, giving the tank commander ability to maintain all-round vision even under closed-down condition. We can now see the commander indicating the panoramic sight. A significant development is underway to enhance the engine's firepower by enabling it to fire any launch back in the sight, both in direct and indirect ways. The Mark 1 is the latest variant of the auto tank, designed to enhance its firepower, mobility, and survivability. The engine tank and the tank can also undertake decoding up to a maximum depth of 5 meters. The stability of the tank has been enhanced by composite armor in frontal 120-degree arc, which gives it protection equivalent to 900 millimeters of load homogeneous armor. The protection level has been further enhanced by treatment of explosive reactive armor panels on the high chassis plate and turret. In terms of firepower, the tank is equipped with an automatic fire. This tank has an efficient autoloader, capable of loading 6 to 8 rounds per minute. You can now see automatic loading being demonstrated, wherein the non-combustible electric portion of cartridge case of previously fired ammunition has been ejected. The T-90 also has a unique capability to launch the tandem warhead laser-guided infrared missile through its main gun, even on the move up to a range of 5,000 meters. You can now see the infrared missile along with its propelling device.
The secondary armament of the tank comprises of a coaxial 7.62mm PKT medium machine gun, as also a 12.7mm NSVT anti-aircraft machine gun, which can be remotely operated by the tank commander, giving him the ability to engage aerial and ground targets from within the fighting department. You can now see the tank commander operating the remote control weapon station. The NSVT is capable of engaging aerial targets from -3 to 66 degrees in vertical and 95 degrees in azimuth. In addition, the tank is also equipped with a set of smoke relief discharges 6 on each side. Gun aside 1G46 is fully integrated with the automatic fire control system, thus ensuring the first round hit probability of over 90%. The tank retains this potency at night by virtue of its thermal imaging sight SR, which provides speed to both gunner and commander, enabling them to detect targets at ranges greater than 5,000 meters, identifying them at 4,000 meters, and effectively engaging them at 2,500 meters even on a pitch dark night. The tank can also generate smoke, which enhances its survivability while moving from one fire position to another on the line.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take attention to the Please observe the rounds of the missile from radar of T-90 and also the blast effect on target. The gunner is now acquiring the target and waiting for the systems to start on. The tank can also fire in night using thermal imaging night sight SR. The view of night sight can be seen on television screens in front of you. The tank will now engage tank target light of yellow screen on the floor while moving broadside. The targets have been effectively engaged by Jafar Deepak of 6 Lancers. All the tanks have been evacuated. There will be 100 air concealed. Engages the commander on engages the target while the commander wants to the next target. The Russian T-72 tank began to be adopted into the Indian Army Corps in the late 1970s. The combat included the Russian tank was thereafter indigenously manufactured in Joint Vehicles Factory Company. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the platform is the tank T-72 Ajay, the Invincible. This 394 tank has a 780 brake horsepower engine with a cruising range of 460 kilometers, extendable to 700 kilometers. Like the T-90, this tank can also be fitted with 9 cars and is also capable of undertaking deep flooding up to a depth of 5 meters. The P-72 Ajay has also been retrofitted with explosive reactive armor panels which are evenly spread over the frontal 120-degree arc. The main and secondary armament of the tank is same as tank T-50 and fires same types of ammunition less inside. All P-72 tanks have further been fitted with anti-emitting standalone sights, also known as TSAS, or anti-emitting fire control systems, known as TIFCS. These remote sights have a detection, recognition, and identification range of 5,000 meters, 3,000 meters, and 2,000 meters respectively. The tank is also equipped with 12-speed grenade discharges, has unique features such as active noise reduction, high data transfer rate, messaging facility, capability to support 4 radio sets, and integration with future battery management system. In the modern day context, it has been observed that the mechanized forces today face threat from foreign actions. The ever-increasing requirement of man-versus ATMs, drone strikes, and drone prototypes while operating in built-up areas. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see something of the design of the team from your head. The T-72 tank on the right, equipped with an ESC gear, comprises of motors, microcycles, and various electrolyzers. The tank has faced a problem with respect to the ESC. The crew in the tank is now doing its best to rectify the problem, and the tank is also engaging target in the tank. You will now see the test tank rotating to show all the profiles, wherein it includes the iron grills and additional gravel bags that protect them from the shaped carbonic by increasing their stand of distance. Additional non-explosive reactive armor plates coated with 6 layers of fire-resistant film has been provided to protect the external fuel tanks. In order to protect the value of the target, a number of plates with counterweights have been added. The side stand of the tank has also been extended up to 30 centimeters for enhanced selection of the turning gear.
पूर्ण जागेवर टर्न घेते ते.
ladies and gentlemen, materials inventory is a critical exponent of the Indian geographical proximities regulation. Particular altitude areas in eastern Ladakh and North Sikkim to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Please take your attention to the fact. You can now see an infantry conductor BMP-2 in the platform. Afterwards, in last and most group of infantry combat vehicle in the world, the BMP-2 is the backbone of the Indian mechanized infantry. Designed as a concept of infantry fighting vehicle, it is currently one of the international manufacturers at the Dallas factory in Iraq, and it's called Chariot, based on other Chariot in India. And cross country speed of 35 kilometers per hour with a cruising range of 260 kilometers. It is amphibious and can traverse through water at speed of 7 kilometers per hour in forward and 2 kilometers per hour in reverse gear. It also has an effective chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear protection system, which gives it an edge over our adversaries. The BMP-2 has a section of 10 soldiers, including a crew of 3 and 7 infantrymen with a section commander. You can now see the section commander and the soldiers stand up in front of the platform. The 7 individuals of the section form 2 groups. To your left is the support group comprising of the rocket launcher detachment and light machine gun group. To your right is the assault group comprising of 4 individuals with latest generation 7.62mm AK-203 rifles ready for closing with the enemy and particularly capture the defenses. The infantry combat vehicle is an integral part of the section and provides an organic force fire support with all armaments for the 7 dismounted soldiers of the section, enhancing the capability of the section exponentially vis-a-vis an infantry section.
The Salem is mounted with a versatile weapon system, the 30mm stabilized cannon which can effectively engage both ground and aerial targets up to the range of 4 kilometers. You can now see the gunner of the infantry combat vehicle operating the 30mm cannon. The 74-degree elevation of the cannon allows it to be effectively used against drones, attack helicopters, slow-flying aircraft, and inland areas to neutralize a wide array of targets. It fires 3 types of ammunition. These are armor-piercing tracer with a range of 2,000 meters, high-explosive fragmentation tracer, and high-explosive incendiary ammunition. The cannon operates at a very high rate of fire of 550 rounds per minute and is capable of switching to different targets in a quicker time frame. The BMP-2 is also equipped with a missile launcher which enables it to fire the Compass M missile. This anti-tank guided missile has a tandem warhead with capability to defeat main armor of the tank behind explosive reactive panels up to 4 kilometers. It is also equipped with a coaxially mounted 7.62mm PKT medium machine gun and a target designation system which allows commander and gunner to work as hunter and killer. The BMP-2 has a thermal imaging sight kit disc by virtue of which ICV can fire both Compass M missiles and a 30mm cannon during day and night with similar efficacy. The thermal sights have a detection, recognition and identification range of 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 meters respectively. It is also equipped with 6 smoke grenade dischargers to produce smoke screen. For communication, ICVs have digital control harness to support radio sets and integration with battlefield management system. ICVs have the inherent capability to generate smoke from their engines on the move.
Without any fire control system and relying only on gunnery skills. dismounts on the orders of ICB commander and splits up into assault group and support group. Meanwhile, ICB continues to pound the enemy with a lethal denying him any opportunity to use the section commander eliminates the enemy from the defenses to facilitate the assault. After promoting the enemy defenses to the ground, the section mounts the ICB again and maneuvers forward to capture further objectives till victory is assured. Once the section is mounted, the ICB is during commissioning of weaker programs in the battlefield, the vehicles have been upgraded with BSC urban survival kit, called as PASO. Please take your attention to the left. You can see the best ICB in the firing area. The ICB can launch a tactical drone from the stick compartment, so you can be witnessed by you now. The PAS completion does not compromise with any functional aspects of the ICB in firing. The same will be witnessed by you now.
ते काय तिथं पेटलं ना,
Also retains the similar
तिथे झालं ना बरोबर इथे 3 नंबरला
has
केलं.
enhanced the protection level of ICB to approximately 50% by using additional armor plates with composites and sweat armor on all sides, front weapon, back turret, and back weapon, where two end section are located. Additional side square plates made of shape-charged disrupting composites have also been fitted, and the commander cupola has been provided with a rear protection as part of the upgrade. A successful shoot was executed by Hanuman Instructor Hindu of 26 mm infantry and Hanuman Rajendra for 12 parts. Ladies and gentlemen, the development of mechanized infantry includes integral fire support element in its inventory. The carrier motor track has N6 platform, which allows high-angle direct and indirect fire on the enemy defenses. Please pay attention to your turn, where you now see the CMP, known as carrier motor track, approaching you. It is based on indigenously manufactured BMP-2 chassis and has its own specs. There are 2 CMPs authorized in mechanized companies. They are also called as Country Commander Program. It is a GPS vehicle with automatic capability similar to BMP-2 and carries 181mm motor tube, which will now be pointed out on the platform. It is pertinent to mention that CMP is amongst very few mounted motors available in the world. Its capability makes it a desired platform in armies globally. It carries 3 types of bombs, which will be witnessed by you now. CMP carries 50 high explosive bombs with a killing area of 10 meters and a danger area of 100 meters. 60 smoke bombs to provide a protective screen from the enemy observation, and 10 elimination bombs, each eliminating the target area for a duration of 30 seconds. The maximum range of these bombs is 5200 meters. Besides the 81mm motor tube, the crew commander in the CMP is also armed with a 7.62mm medium machine gun. The mechanized infantry battalion is authorized with 6 CMTs to provide the close fire support to a combat team or a combat group commander during the conduct of tactical tasks. Indirect engagement can be formed for a rapid rate. Mounted on 2 CMTs. These were the orders of the Military Position Controller.
You decide first. करायचं का? आमचा फोटो मारा ना डेमो. व्हिडिओ काढतो ना असा.
ह्यामध्ये बॉम्ब आहे ना वाटतं.
बघ आता ते स्मोक
Mike India Mike, section target, area red and white square. Fire 1 ready.
Each detachment on CMT consists of 3 motor numbers. The 2 jets in front of you are now engaging targets in area red and white square. Motor gun being high trajectory ammunition will take approximately 27 seconds to strike the target. These CMTs form a part of the firebase, which enables a combat team to close in and assault the objective with minimal interference. The detachments can directly engage opportunity targets during advanced combat work directly as is being shown to you now, and also in indirect role using motor fire control. Fire on targets beyond the limit. You may expect smoke bombs in the target area in a while. Ladies and gentlemen, the bombs in the 2 CMTs are now landing in area red and white square. A total of 20 bombs have been fired in just 2 minutes during this engagement. Despite its simple design, the motor is a battle-proven weapon system. With development of technology and introduction of automated motor fire control system, motors will continue to play a decisive role in all future battles.
हे स्मोक दिसतंय ना, तिथं केलं त्यांनी रेड अँड व्हाईट.